Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you a Python package that can be used to set up a React application in a Django project. The name of the package is Django Webpack Dev Server, a command line reusable Django app. This package uses tools like Webpack, Webpack Dev Server, Babel, and more. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's create a virtual environment before installing any Python packages. Here, the name of our virtual environment is env. Let's activate a virtual environment now. We can see our virtual environment is activated. Now let's install Django. We can create a Django project by running the following command: Django admin start project and the name of the project. Well, I'm using demo as my Django project name. It can be anything. So our Django project is ready now. Let's cd into the project. Let's run the migration command now. Python manage.py migrate. Let's clear the screen. So our Django project is ready. Now we will install Django Webpack Dev Server using pip. Okay, our package is installed now. Now let's refer the documentation to see the steps for setting the React app. The first step is to add Django Webpack Dev Server in the installed apps list in the settings.py file. Let's go to the settings.py file and add it. Now we can create a React app by running Python manage.py generate React. This command will create a React app with default name frontend and default template JavaScript. If you want to give a different app name, you can do it like this. And if you want to use TypeScript, it can be done like this. Let's run the default command and see what happens. This command may take some time to run depending on your internet speed. It is now installing no dependencies. It has created a frontend folder which has a structure similar to a Django app, but it has some configuration files like babel.config.json and webpack.config.js. If you want a detailed information about these files, I strongly recommend you to watch Tech with Tim's YouTube playlist for building a React Django full stack web application. I've added the link in the description box. Do check it out. Okay, the command is successfully executed. Now, the next step is to add this Django app, which is frontend, in our installed apps list like we did in step 1. And then we need to add the frontend.urls in a project's urls.py like this. Let's go to the project's urls.py and add frontend.urls. Okay, we have executed all the steps. Now we need to start a Django development server using Python manage.py run server. And then we need to go to the frontend directory and run npm start. Let's start Django server first. Python manage.py run server. Server is running. Let's create a new terminal. Let's cd into frontend folder and run npm start. After running npm start, this web page is loaded. This web page is rendering React code and we can verify it from the React developers extension. It says that the page is using development build of React. Let's modify the app component inside the source folder to see if our page gets updated without reloading. Let's go to the app.js file inside the source folder. Let's remove this boilerplate code and add a hello world text. Let's save it. We can see that our page is updated without reloading it. Let's go to the Django server, localhost 8000. We see nothing. Also, the React extension says that the page is not using React. For this, we need to run a script so that Django can serve a React. The script is npm run build. Let's reload and we can see the page, and also the extension confirms that the page is using a production build of React. That's it for the demo. This project is open source. If you find any issues or have a new feature in mind, do make a pull request. Your contributions are always welcome. If you want to reach me, you can contact me via LinkedIn. I've added my profile link in the description box. Thank you, and do let me know what you think about this package in the comment section.